Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Viiiva Heart Rate Monitor and you need to replace the battery on it, you might already know you need to replace the battery, or it might not be working right and you're trying to figure out why. Putting a fresh battery in can very often fix a lot of issues with it. And it's super easy to do. The hardest thing is basically to get the battery. It's a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one, it's one of the flat batteries. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get the battery for just a couple bucks off Amazon. But it's super easy. We just need to come in here with a coin, like a quarter or something like that, put it in this slot, and then just turn this counterclockwise, and that will open the door and we can pull the door off. And then the best way to get the battery out is not to try to pry it out or anything like that. It's just to kind of lightly bang the monitor on a table or something like that, on any hard surface, and that'll make the battery pop out. And then we're just going to pop the new battery in. And so we want to have the plus side facing out, facing back towards us when we put it in. Once we put it in, then we just put the cap back on, turn it back clockwise till it locks, and we're done. Thanks a lot for watching.